these are things we don't talk about. We're all walking around the streets, we all have issues in our mind, and to speak out is a problem.
Mental health is a very important thing in today's society. There are a lot of people who would rather not speak because they're scared or insecure about what the outcome will be to particularly strong black men. I mean, how often do you get in a position to help, and do you find it a burden?
It is.
Because
It could be a burden.
you then become non-existent.
Absolutely. You can be spread thin, that you in the area that you're trying to help, lost yourself, and you're not even recharging.
And you're bringing up potential memories.
And you're bringing out
Yeah,
that
yeah.
deep memories,
Yeah.
that deep memories that
anything
could
to help.
affect your judgment.
The whole persona on black men is, we get up, we're like machines, we're robots. We get up, go to work, we don't have any feelings, go do this, go do that, take the bins out, make sure everything's structured. But actually, who's there to say, how you doing, mate?